Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and use gesture control on Insta360 Ace Pro 2. To do it, slide down from the top and find the gesture control. Now you can enable it. You can see that the palm will be for starting and stopping video recording. When the recording starts, you can lower your hand. Okay, peace sign is to take a photo and it will start a countdown, so you will not have the gesture on the photo. And let's test these gestures. So I'm gonna flip the screen like that. Then I'm gonna do a peace sign gesture. Okay, and it starts the countdown, as you can see. And now let's try the palm. Let's see if it will work. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work, but maybe I need to switch the mode, so I'm gonna quickly switch to recording video, and then I'm gonna just show the palm. Okay, and it works. And I'm gonna stop the recording. And it works again. I just needed to hold the camera. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.